Hi, ako si Dax. Masipag ako pero walang pangarap. Welcome sa episode 30 of 365 2026. It's been 30 days since we start documenting our daily life. So far, we have our progress. Pero we're just getting started. Like what they say, Rome wasn't built in a day. So is a lifestyle. 30 days pa lang tayo. Usually it takes 3 to 6 months daw, sabi nila, before it affects or change yung lifestyle. And let's be honest, hindi everyday maganda yung editing natin. Not every day is a perfect day. Not every day we can present the best of ourselves. Pero sabi ko nga, nung early part ko, the best thing you could do is show up. And that's what I'm doing. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang documentation. And there are times na sisipagin talaga ako ng sobra. Kaya yung editing maganda. And for now, ganito. Maybe next day, it's a better. Consistency rin yung pag-upload ko eh. So for me, it's a win-win scenario. I'm not sure, but this might be one of the longest video I'll be uploading here. For the meantime, papakita ko na yung madaldal kong side. Kaya ayun, ang goal naman natin dito sa documentation natin is to show our progress for the whole year. And we're just getting started. Regarding sa weight natin, we've lost 3 kg. So far, medyo hindi lang naging consistent yung diet natin. But it's one thing that we'll focus on for the next upcoming months. Regarding naman sa pag-workout, out of 30 days so far, ang workout natin is 24 days. Mataas pa rin ang body rate natin. Our progress is not significantly different, but it will accumulate over time. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung ating pag-upskill. LinkedIn, sobrang maraming certification. Every day, we do our best to at least secure 1 to 3 and also learn from it. Hindi lang basta kuha ng certificate, we're also making sure that we gain something from it. O nga pala, regarding sa YouTube automation, mas okay na. We already found a better text-to-speech. And yung YouTube channel is not doing well. It might change after we applied the new voice. Feeling ko hindi ganun kagandahan yung voice. That's one reason kaya hindi tumatagal yung audience and yung viewership. Nag-stagnant agad. This is just the start of our journey. It's 1 out of 12 months. And also, na-secure natin yung mga goals natin early on this month pa lang. Especially yung work. We've been aiming it since last year. So, ayun. Good thing we've secured it. Regarding sa other stuff, like yung walking, I'm not sure if I could do it at the afternoon. Pero I think yung working out will proceed and doing it in the morning na lang. Then, optional lang yung walk kasi with our schedule, I'm not sure if we could consistently do it unless mag-treadmill lang tayo. And actually, naisip ko for editing this day, i-compile ko yung mga ibang videos ko with my intro. But for now, I'm starting to feel sleepy. And one part of my goal for this year is my physical health. And so far, our sleep is doing well. We're maintaining 7 to 8 hours of sleep. And I think we're doing it better than what we're doing previously. One step closer na naman tayo. Yan na ata magiging motto ko. I'm not sure, pero we'll see kung saan pa tong ang ating journey.